This message is for all Tony Rebel children them. I would like to tell especially Daviana. Love Tanzania, Daviana Barrett. Leave Tanzania alone. Me and my children them come out on a space.
Whoa. Yeah man, this is Racist Spice representing for Jamaican chat. You hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican chat we are talking about. Oh, nana, I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican chat. Bang.
Go on, my people. Bless up everybody. And welcome back to Jamaican chat. And you don't know my people. May I beg on like, share, subscribe on the video here. And don't see says a hot one, my people. And in this update, long time I talk to my people. And long time I talk to my people. My base stage show been a cover. But that topic is hot, my people. Right now, Beenieman look like him, tired and at him, serious with him girlfriend, so him actually proposed to her. And Beenieman actually went detail to let us know that some people are actually try scam him. You understand? So we're going to take a note on that. As well as Queen Ifrica just went live and made it public. You understand? Says she and Tony Rebel kids them is not good. She also went into the reason why she is still doing Rebel Salute. And people will have everything here so for you. So we're going to just jump in at a little update with Beenieman and come back with Queen Ifrica, my people.
Any promoter that's sending money to Blue, I am so sorry that you did that. And any promoter that booking shows through Blue, I'm so sorry that you did that. But my manager is called Sean Baptiste. If you're not booking through Cigar Records, then you're not booking me. And if you're not doing the music through that, you're not doing nothing. Zane. So promoters have been calling me and telling me that, yeah, them book through and book and book and book and book. You're wrong, dog. Because you did know that I changed management. So don't tell me that you're going to take me to court because Ray, boom, bam, boom, bam, blah, blah, blah. That's not my fault. Trust me. And yeah, I'm just saying that the management is Cigar Records. And if you're not booking through Cigar Records, you're not booking Beenieman. Blessings? That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I just engaged to my woman and it's good. And it's a nice thing. You know, life is good and everything is alright. And everything is life. And everything is good. So, I'm just saying. If you're not doing that, you're doing the wrong thing. And if you're booking through MD Entertainment, you're doing the wrong thing. MD Entertainment, don't book show for me anymore. Cigar Records, book show for me. So if you call your own, you know, you have a show. If you call Amory, you have a show. And if you call Cigar himself, you have a show. So it's no longer MD Entertainment. Which MD means Moses Davis, but yeah, I guess my ex-management didn't know that. That's what it means. But people, I am not an artist of MD Entertainment anymore. Yes, kind of stupid. That don't make no sense. It shouldn't reach here, but we're here where we at. And yeah. I don't mean no negativity, I don't mean no disrespect. I just want people to know that if you're sending your money to MD Entertainment, you're sending your money to the wrong place. And it's not my fault if you send your money to the wrong place.
Alright, my people, no done hear that. So first of all, before I continue, I'm going to take the time frame and say, big up yourself, Beenieman. Congratulations, my boss. You understand? The Bible says, he that findeth a wife, findeth a good thing. So, big up yourself on that, my general. You understand? And as well as when I done to the update as well, people want to carry Beenieman a quote one bag of thing because people basically still send money to him old management team and now get with the new thing. You understand? So this serves as an update to everybody as well who Beenieman new management team is. You understand? Alright, my people, and we're going to jump in at the update right now with Queen Ifrica, my people. As I'm telling you, Queen Ifrica got live a while ago. You understand? Pan her IG. And this is what she pretty much had to say. You understand? Apparently some issues are going between she and Tony Rebel kids, or her kids and Tony Rebel kids. They're somewhere, they're out in Africa, in Tanzania, and them now live good, my people. You understand? But yes, so me I got jump off. Me just I got left the snippet to do know from Queen Ifrica. I want to share, me know how you feel exactly about that, my people. And share as well about Beenieman. You don't know. Yes, I make a jump off. Me beg you just continue like, share, subscribe on my video. Stay tuned for Rebel Salute, my people. We're gonna have it lock. Pick up on yourself, Jamaican chat. I'm out.
How do I them do? Don't make no one pull you out this year, but don't take no bullshit from no one neither. You hear that? Make sure so your heart clean and your hands pure in front of the Almighty. This message is for all Tony Rebel children then. I would like to tell especially Daviana. Love Tanzania, Daviana Barrett. Leave Tanzania alone. Me and my children them come out of no space. Me still at the Rebel Salute because me love that show there before me know Tony Rebel. And that's why me appear down there on the 20th. Uno love my daughter and stop manipulate her Evans. Again, this message is for Tony Rebel children them. Specifically, Daviana Barrett. Big up on yourself, world. This year we not take no bullshit, not even from ourselves. I mean, I sound the blood clot, I beg.